Hello guys, today I'm going to show you the great opportunity before NFP in gold market right now. Gold on his resistance level, I mean to say 4140 or 4160, 4180 as well. It's a great level to sell, and I am giving you in video long-term trades as well. And I am going to share with you my personal analysis which is a good level to buy gold for long term and short term as well. So in this video I'm going to cover fundamental, geopolitical and sentiment analysis as well with my great technical analysis. So never waste a time of you, and let's start today's gold weekly analysis. My name is Rahil Nawaz. Welcome to the Capital Coach. Today is very important day because ahead of ADP non-farm employment change and ISM Services PMI data going to release, and also tomorrow is a very important day because of Trump's speech and unemployment claims. So that's why 2 days market may volatile. And last thing, Friday day is the most important day of the week, is NFP day. Unemployment rate, average hourly earning and non-farm employment change data going to release, and it might be positive. So market may volatile on Friday as well. But if we are talking about the gold, before we analyze the gold, we have to analyze dollar index as well. If we're talking about the dollar index is stuck on 99. But the main important thing is monthly candle is also close on a bearish candle, and market may continue his pattern to 98.500, which is the average support right now. And if we are talking about the weekly candle is close Marubozu bearish candle and with a good volume as well. But market may move downside to 98.500 as well. But right now market is moving bullish side. According to his resistance, it's above 100. Market may go to rejection from 100 as well. If we are talking about the daily chart, and daily chart is also showing us that resistance level, market is struggling from his support and resistance level, and it's right now market making double top as well. Here is a double top, and market may go to rejection from these level. And if market test this neckline, it's about 100.500, and then market get a rejection and market may hit 98. That's a good level to trade gold in buy side. But let us look at the monthly chart of gold as well. As you know, July 2026 candle is a huge wick on upside and small body on downside. So the thing is, if we are talking about the previous 4-month progress, it's a dovish progress, and market consistently dropping with a good volume. Now volume is dropping and gold is also going. A market may hit 4300 and 4200 as well. But right now I am looking to market fill his wick, and last month high market may break, or may market meet the last month high, which is 4220 almost. So market get rejection from these level. And if we are talking about the weekly candle is also showing the strong week, but NFP is coming, so we are not able to assess market move right now. We are data dependent because Geopolitical is also data dependent. We also see no more the data dependency on Federal Reserve as well, because Kevin Warsh launched new policy as well. Anyhow, let's focus on daily chart. As you see, market open on 4080, market high is $4180. Market move $100 above in the morning, and right now it's gold giving us a good opportunity on good levels, because as you know, its average high is 4180 or 4190. So it's a good level. Let's see, this is our resistance level. Market may hit his resistance level today or may tomorrow as well. If market got a rejection from this level, we will inshallah sell gold till 4000 as well. So we are going to target $400 in gold in coming up next days. But right now market break his strongest resistance, which is on short term time frame, and the market gets struggle to break this line as well. But right now market confirm it. And if we talking about today's trade is 4140 or 4150 is a good level to buy. To target almost is a resistance line, which is $4200 as well. So the analysis are very simple, and and quite impressive as well. Very easy to trade, because market is right now moving very predicted. As you know, market sweep his high is 22 July 2026 high. Market sweep is high and market get rejection, market may get range, market get resist to the $4,120 as well. So this is our great level to trade. If you're looking buy trade, 4120 is very good level to buy gold for today or tomorrow as well, because we know tomorrow is also a very good data. So if you are looking for good or the great trades, you have to follow these levels. And if you are looking to sell, let me give you the selling level as level. Our selling level is selling level is $4,220. It's a good level to sell, or 42.8. It's a great level to sell as well. So market get move like this, then it's a great opportunity to sell gold from above as well. So let me conclude my weekly analysis. We have NFP week, and as you know, NFP decide the next rate hike decision by the Federal Reserve. So NFP is a main indicator who give the signal to the Federal Reserve to rate hike or rate pause as well. So the key calendar event is coming, and before calendar event is coming, we have to trade between support and resistance, and our great support is 4,000 right now, market 4,100 above. So we can trade 4140 or 4140.20 as well to trigger buy side trade. But if you are looking for sell trade, I give you two levels of 4,220 to $4,240. It's a great level to sell, good level to sell. This is the level. But if you are looking to sell gold from great level for more, maybe for little bit long term, then it's a 40-80 is great level for long term shortage of gold, and your profit taking area till 4,000 or 39.40 or $39.60 as well. So if you are looking short term trading scalp between support and resistance, if you are talking about today's trade, today market, I am going to buy gold from $4,120 as well, because this is a great level for me. But if I am looking sell, it's a good level to 41.80 is a good level to sell for today trade. I hope I cover every corner of the market aspect, fundamental and geopolitical event as well. Geopolitical condition is very critical right now. Donald Trump not going to attack on Iran, and Iran is also stopped to retaliate on American basis. So that's why right now there is a confusion between, if we are talking about the war condition, but overall condition is very normal, and we have great opportunity to trade and scalp between these areas. I hope you understand, and I hope you get all the point. Please, if you like our video, please hit the like and write below in the comment if you have any suggestion, if you have any different opinion as well. And last thing, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe, and please always trade with stop loss and money management ratio. Thank you very much for watching. Stay blessed, and see you next video.